Good. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Anyway, what are we doing now?
Oh, camera.
Oh no.
Hello. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, The Castro.
Hello, I'm Ayesa.
And I'm Laila.
And my name is Nazma.
We're so happy to be back with you guys for another episode in Castro.
In today's episode, we will discuss about something interesting with
Our guest star,
Jihan Aura. Please welcome.
Hi Jihan.
Hi, Jihan.
How are you?
Hey guys, I'm good. How about you guys?
we're doing good. Thank you
We're
for
doing good.
asking.
Sure. By the way, what we are going to discuss today? So we're going to talk about alcohol and drugs. Quite interesting.
Speaking of alcohol, do you personally drink it?
No, of course I'm not.
Oh, really?
That's good.
That's good.
Thank you.
Yes, we know that nowadays many people that drinking alcohol and drugs, right? So, what's your opinion about that?
First thing first, what is alcohol? Alcohol is a toxic and psychoactive drug, right? Right.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, and that slow down the brain and central nervous system. What happened after that?
I guess that will affect your mood, behavior, and thinking. Is that correct?
Yes, it is. So nowadays, drug and alcohol abuse in the society has been a problem that affects many people.
Alright, I agree because yesterday I read some news. There are so many crimes because alcohol consumption.
Yes. Well, Jihan, as far as I know, many people say that alcohol has advantage. Either it could make them forget their problems, or maybe it just for relax. What's your opinion about that? Even many people say that. Even many people say that. Even many people say that. You don't think the idea is still incorrect? Even many people say that the idea is not incorrect and doesn't support the activity by claiming that it's for relaxation. Perhaps it's simply a way to avoid all of the problem come up, and it's not the right things.
If you disagree with alcohol consumptions, but there are so many people in our environment who consumes alcohol, so how do you avoid that?
Since I've always thought that drinking alcohol is illegal and only has negative effect, I naturally and indirectly avoid it. If I don't intend to, I simply avoid it.
That's a good actually.
That's a good choice. I'll take a note.
Oh, me too.
Last question. Sorry, last question. Last questions. What is your advice to people who have fallen into alcohol consumption?
For those who have start consuming alcohol, I recommend to stopping as soon as possible by adopting a healthy diet. And for those who are already addicted, it can be followed up with professional for treatment.
That's good. That's good advice, Jan.
Yes. Well, that's all for today's episode.
We're done?
Yes.
Right.
That's all for today's episode of the Castro.
Thank you for joining, Jihan, and thank you for sharing your insight.
Thank you for having me. It was great to be here. Thank you to everyone and special thanks to our guest star Jihan Aura. We hope today's discussion has been helpful and eye-opening for all of you.
Remember, making a good choice and seeking help if you need it is always the best way forward.
If you enjoyed with this episode, you can share it with your friend and your family.
Make sure to follow us for the meaningful discussion in the next episode.
Thank you
and see you later.